Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. A newly identified gene can hold the key to prevent fungal infection, candidiasis, that often affects intensive care unit patients, cancer patients, and patients receiving immunosuppressive therapy. The gene called as CSA6 has been identified in Candida albicans. Whereas Candida albicans is a fungal species infamous for causing high rates of morbidity and mortality under certain immunocompromised conditions such as AIDS or during treatment of cancer. The fungal species residing in mucosal lining of gastrointestinal and urogenital tract of healthy individuals. It turns into a pathogen under immunocompromised condition, breaching the host defense, causing superficial as well as life-threatening systemic infection. It is a collaborative study between the Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Bangalore, India, and Christophe D. Enforts Institute, Paris. They were successful in identifying a set of 6 chromosome stability genes that are important for maintaining genome integrity. While 5 of the CSA genes identified in the study are known to be important for cell division in other species, the sixth CSA gene, that named as CSA6, encoded for the protein that is essential for viability in C. albicans. They found that CSA6 was a critical regulator of cell cycle progression, wherein both overexpression and deletion of CSA6 lead to reduce the growth of Candida albicans cells. India-Mauritius Third Joint Committee meeting on micro, small, medium enterprises cooperation held in New Delhi. Let's understand the highlight of this meeting. Discussion on potential areas of cooperation in various areas, including exchange of best practices and experiences in development of MSME sectors, holding of physical, virtual exhibition, fairs, technological cooperation, encouraging business-to-business collaborative ties up through B2B meets, entrepreneurship development and training programs, collaboration in various sectors such as aromatherapy, food processing, and eco-friendly businesses. Royal Enfield has partnered with United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization to promote and safeguard the intangible cultural heritage of India. Let's understand something about the UNESCO. UNESCO is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization that seeks to build peace through international cooperation in education, science and culture. UNESCO programs contribute to achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals defined in 2030 Agenda adopted by the United Nations General Assembly 2015. Former German Chancellor Angela Merkel honored with the UNESCO Peace Prize 2022 for her efforts to welcome refugees. The Anangtal Lake in South Delhi has been declared a monument of national importance by Ministry of Culture. This tank is associated with Anang Pal II of Tomar dynasty. Samir V. Kamath is appointed as the new chairman of DRDO in 2022. Let's understand something about the DRDO. DRDO is the research and development wing of Ministry of Defense, Government of India, with a vision to empower India with cutting-edge defense technologies and a mission to achieve self-reliance in critical defense technologies and systems, while equipping our armed forces with a state-of-art weapon system and equipment in accordance with requirements laid down by the three services. DRDO was formed in 1958 from amalgamation of then already functional technical development establishment of the Indian Army and Directorate of Technical Development and Production with the Defense Science Organization. DRDO was then a small organization with 10 establishments or laboratories. Over the years, it has grown multi-directionally in terms of variety of subjects, disciplines, number of labs, achievements, and stature. There are the few achievements of DRDOs like Agni and Prithvi series of missile, light combat aircraft, Tejas, multi-barrel rocket launcher Pinaka, and air defense system Akash. Philippines have been hit by the tropical cyclone Ma on. Ma-on was the sixth tropical cyclone to hit the Southeast Asian country in this year. International Boxing Day takes place every year on 27th August. The day ties in with the first edition of the International Boxing Federation World Championship, which were held in Havana, Cuba in 1974. IBA has rescheduled the International Boxing Day from July 22 to August 27 to connect the date with the first edition of the World Boxing Championship. There are three questions in front of you. Those are very important for your prelims as well as for your mains point of view. You have to answer these questions in the comment section, and I'll be providing you the correct answers in the next video. The first question is, who has been awarded with UNESCO Peace Prize 2022? The second question is, when did DRDO was formed? And the third question is, what is the significance of MSME sector in the Indian economy? Your word limit should be 100 to 150 only. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback, and also press the subscribe button. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.